Alright, so today this is going to be a little bit of an unboxing video and kind of explaining what I'm about to do. I'm sure you've obviously seen this in the previous video, but these, however, have recently showed up, and this is the car we're working on. Don't mind that white wire, it was from a clutch safety switch issue, but yeah, we got our own jack stands ready to go. My plan tonight is to not necessarily worry about the clutch master cylinder right now, because I've got something I got to do tomorrow and it's real late in the evening. I want to make sure I get this done, so I'm going to make this kind of quick. These are the shifter bushings from VMS, but yeah. So I actually got a box cutter. Alright, so this is two cars. This is for my car and for my brother's 2016 Mustang. Right there. I figured since my car has, 250,000 miles, try the high mileage, see how it does, see if I notice any difference. At the very least, I expect it to be as good as the normal Royal Purple that I'm running. Got some carbon ceramic for the performance package, because he has the 6 pots in the front or something like that. Can't remember. Yeah, these are the ones in the front. So if you've got the Mustang with the performance package, Summit Racing has these for the ones with the performance brake kit. Got obviously Royal Purple oil filter for his, and for mine, nice little piece there. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, that actually has information. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna save this and all this for my brother. I need stuff that back in there, and let's see what's in here. See if there's any important paperwork. Doesn't appear to be, just to be safe. Got some 5W20 for 10 quarts for the Mustang. So yeah, he's got to do an oil change as well as get new pads, because the Fomocos are gone. So yeah, alright, that should do it for this video, and stay tuned. I'm going to cut this video off here and get started on pulling some things off of this, and I'll post the video, the vlog of me doing the oil change and the oil pan gasket and all that in the next video. So appreciate everybody tuning in, appreciate all the new subscribers, and until the next video, peace out.